I gotta heat it up. It seems like I'm putting a lot, but I have a lot of hair, guys. And I just like to make sure that I don't miss a spot, because then the frizz will, you know, will start forming. So I just like to make sure it's all covered, and I think I got it. Brushing it helps spread, helps eliminate the frizz and also spread the product. So that's what I'm doing. Again, brushing helps eliminate the frizz and spread the product. That's why I do that. Now, scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And then my texture in the front is very dry compared to the rest of my hair. And to eliminate frizz, I do like to finger coil some of the pieces in the front. Just some, not all. It just helps with frizz because it really defines the curls. And what is frizz? Frizz is waiting for curl to form. So if you help form it, if you give it some guidance, then you can avoid the frizz. You see? And it's just my texture in the front is more of I would say 3C or even 4A. It's more kinky in the front compared to the rest of my hair. That's my mommy's hair, Dominican. My daddy's hair is more in the back, where it has a softer texture. And yes, I love both because it's me. It's what makes me, me. So, no such thing as good hair, bad hair. Only healthy or damaged hair. I think I took too much here. Let's cut it down a bit. So I do this just in the front. So if you have like some, especially with my grays that are mostly in the front, that texture is a little bit different too. So just the finger coiling just helps avoid the frizz and just helps with defining that section of the hair, which tends to be drier. And I love CurlSmith in shower styler. It has a great hold. I would say it's like a medium gel, medium to extra hold gel. And once you scrunch it out, it does take the cast away and your curl still comes out soft. So I love it. And you can see I'm at the end of all my CurlSmith products, so time to replenish those products. I'm doing one last squish to condition, squish, and that's it. I will show you the results when my hair dries.